Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to withdraw money from SportyBet. The first thing I want you to do is just log into your SportyBet account, and then here at the top right, you'll actually see My Account. I want you to click on this to get a drop down, and then from here you'll get multiple options. I want you to go ahead and click on this third option right here that says Withdraw. And once you go ahead and click on this option, it will redirect you to this page where you will be able to withdraw to whatever payment method is applicable in that country. For example, in Kenya, they have M-Pesa as a payment method. So the number you use to sign up to SportyBet is the number you can withdraw to. All you need to do here is just enter the amount that you want to withdraw. The minimum amount is 11 shillings. And then all you need to do is come here and click on Withdraw. And it'll actually initiate the transaction to your M-Pesa number. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.